Hi everyone, my name is Kim. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today is Friday the 13th of May 2020 and I'm starting my day by trying this Monster, this tiny can of Monster that I found at Dollar Tree. Let's see, it's 12 ounces and it is not 0 calories. It is 10 calories for this can. So it's a new flavor. I've not seen this color before. I'm going to be trying it for the first time. I have to get my ice in a bowl because it won't go directly into this bottle. So let's see how it goes. There we go. That was perfect. Now I'm going to take a sip. It's like a melon flavor. So this is what I'll be sipping on this morning, and I have the lights on this early because I'm in Florida and there are lots of clouds out. It's a very gloomy day, and I did have some yard work scheduled, but I'm not going out there today. I'm not going to get rained on because here it can rain in a flash. So I'm going to be folding some laundry and let's see what else I get up to. Even on a gloomy day like today, we can still hear the birds. Except for when the cars are passing by, of course. There were some overhead. I'm standing in the garage door and they seem to have flown away. I take that back. They probably just shut up and stopped singing because they heard my voice. But not the ones across the street. So I'm back in the house and I just uploaded a video on one of my TikTok channels. It's the Restock video channel, and now that that's done, they're so easy to edit and do, and I really enjoy TikTok. But now that that's done, I need to get some laundry folded and see what else is on my agenda for the day. So I've decided I'm going to have a couple of hot dogs that I have in the refrigerator that I've cooked already, and I'm going to heat them up in the microwave. But this frozen naan, I'm going to take one out of here. This is the smaller one, the mini. I'm going to take one out of here and put it in my toaster oven, and it should defrost slowly and then toast up. And I'll show you when it's done. I buy the big packs of Nathan's hot dogs at Sam's Club, and I freeze them in packs of 8 and then cook them as needed. I don't eat too many hot dogs because of the salt content, but I do really like the Nathans. They're so good. Let's fix that, cover this. I'll put this in the microwave for like 30 seconds or so and check it. That took actually about a minute instead of 30 seconds, so they were actually sizzling when they came out. Can't hear them now. They look a little overcooked in this camera, but they're not. They're definitely not. It's the lighting in here. And this did very well in the toaster oven, so you can see it's pliable, slightly toasted around the edges. That's what I love a toaster oven for. Back in the 70s, my grandparents had one, and my grandmother toasted everything in there. And I've never lived without one. I've never gone without a toaster oven. It's always been the perfect thing for me. I'm gonna go ahead and use this plate after all. I wish I had some coleslaw, just a tiny bit for a little crunch, but that's okay. I'm going to use a little bit of ranch, not too much. I know it's weird, but with the naan, it goes perfectly. I'm also going to have a piece of cheese. I don't think this is going to fill me, so now I'm going to find something else. So I found these walnuts in the cabinet, and I think I'm going to have a handful of these. Let's move this over to the side, stay down a little bit, just a handful. Fill me up a little bit, and I'll take the plastic off of this before I sit down. I don't need the fork, and I think that's it. So I'm going to say goodbye for today. It's a little early, but there's not much going on with me for the rest of the day. Just clerical type stuff. So I hope everyone has a great Friday, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.